Hey guys, VR&R back, and we are on part 4 of the Honda Trail 70 build, and today we're going to get doing on some fun stuff. Today we are going to be installing our side cover decals. I don't know if that's focusing or not. Our aluminum side cover decals and our main frame decals. So let's just jump right in and do this. So as you guys can see, we got the frame clear coated. I did that last night. It's all hardened. So we got to be putting our decals on here, the other side, and somewhere in this range. I'm gonna have to look in my book to figure out exactly where the decals go. So if we look in my book, as you guys can see, the decals go right there, about the center of the frame. Let's start with these ones. Well, first, we have to figure out which way the wing has to fly. So we will look over here. Okay. All right, guys. So this decal goes right here. The wing faces that way to the left. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area up. We're gonna stick this guy on. All right, we got the decals on the correct way. Looks really good. It's still wrinkly because I still have the clear on it. Peel it off. I'm not gonna do that yet. But yeah, so now let's get ready to figure out exactly where these go. Check it out, guys. Sorry I didn't film me putting the stickers on, but I was being very concerned on placement. I didn't even want to bother trying to film. But what do you guys think of that? I think I've got the placement pretty damn good. So let's go ahead and start chasing all these threads and getting all the paint out of everything. And if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I am chasing all these threads on this frame, chasing it with a M6 by 1.0 tap, so that I get all the paint and mostly a lot of the rust out of these threads, because a lot of them were nasty from the beginning, from how big this frame was when it was found in the field. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. All right, we got our chrome trim on, and now we're gonna go ahead and start installing our steering stem bearings and our triple tree. I've got a diagram right here, and I got all new parts right here, so let's get right to it. All right, guys, I'm back the next day, and sorry, I get a little excited and I just start bolting parts on. I've got the swing arm on, rear fenders on, triple trees on. I think I showed that in the last video. Chrome strip is on. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to be running all the wiring and everything for the engine. So we're going to be installing the key switch, running the wiring harness just roughly, putting in the gas tank rubber straps and stuff like that, and probably the ignition coil. As you guys can see, we're loaded up.